Hello and welcome back. Today we're out near the town of Cynthiana, Kentucky. We're going to spend some time in Cynthiana taking some images around the town using the Leica SL2 today and the 24-105 as opposed to the Leica Q. But we're going to start the day here where we're at right now, which is Coleville Covered Bridge. Bridge that was built in 1877. Still open to automobile traffic today. This is the last covered bridge, all right, in existence, or in operation, maybe a better way to say it, in Bourbon County, Kentucky. I did a little research, all right, so there were over 700 covered bridges in Kentucky at one time, but today there's only 11 left, all right, and this is one of them. It's 124 feet long. It opened in 1877, and it's a little different construction than what we've seen in some of the other ones we've gone to. All right, here, turn us around. All right, so this is what's called a burr truss bridge, not a burr arch truss bridge. All right, so instead of having the big, crazy arch, what you've got here, we can see it with this. I'm not sure you can, but see if I can get a little bit more light on it. There we go. You just have trusses all the way through it. So anyway, we're going to take a couple of images here of this, all right, before we move into Cynthiana and grab some images there. All right, today I'm out with Mike from the Retired in Peace channel. So he's over here, as you can see, taking some pictures of the sign for the covered bridge. So we're going to get some images and then we'll move into Cynthiana. So thanks for coming along, everybody. Alright, so welcome to Cynthiana, Kentucky. Now, don't know a lot about the history of this town, but it is pretty nice. And what I find interesting, I talk about war memorials and things like that, but like here, every town has something. Alright, so this must be the town hall right here in front of us, and it is really nice. Now, one of the things about the town of Cynthiana is it has apparently a lot of murals, and I noticed when I pulled into town, this mural over here, which I'm going to go take a picture of, all right, and if you're a Kentucky basketball fan, you'll know exactly who this mural is, all right, and if you're not, you may not know, but I had the pleasure of meeting this gentleman back in the 80s. Nice man. I'll show you this. That is Joe B. Hall, former basketball coach, University of Kentucky. I met him in, I think, 1980, 81, something like that. Great man, great conversation back when I was in high school. It was a lot of fun, so I'm going to take an image of this. And we're going to walk around town. Again, 1 hour. Nothing, you're allowed an hour to capture whatever you want. Again, I'm using today the SL2 as opposed to the Leica Q, but we're going to see what we can come up with. So thanks for coming along. Alright, so walking the streets, one of the things here Cynthiana is known for is its murals. I forget the number, but there's a lot of murals here. Taking a couple already. I see one here across the street. But there's a lot of beautiful buildings here, old architecture. It's really a nice little town to walk the streets of. I mean, I'm really surprised, having never been here and experienced this. It was Mike's idea to come here. I really didn't know much. Pretty neat. So, alright, I'm going to grab a picture here of this mural and these nice buildings and keep moving on. Everywhere I seem to look, I seem to stumble across a mural. I mean, I've read that this town had lots of murals. Man, even on the building that was behind me as I was talking before. Here. I mean, all over the place I'm finding beautiful murals. Now, I know this town also has an opera house, which here's another mural. All right, I'm gonna work my way that way and get an image of that as well. A lot of great old architecture. A lot of murals, a lot of little shops. Neat place to come to. It'd be a nice, good fall road trip, in my opinion. So one of the things, if you're questioning your one lens setup, especially like me, I'm running a zoom today, a 24 to 105. The 24 millimeters, do you have enough, all right, on the wide end to capture things that you want? So like here, if you look across the street, we got this mural here, all right. Then right up the street we have this museum building. All right, it's an old theater, as you can see. All right, and I wanted to try to capture both, and so by using right at 24 from this angle, all right, I'm able to capture that. Now I shot at 5.6 because I'm trying to keep the ISO down a little bit, but still I was able to get everything in one shot that I wanted. So just something to keep in mind. Alright, so found our way over to where the old opera house is. It's here on this street. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Alright, so now we're here about 9, a little after about 9:30, going on 10 o'clock in the morning. Streets are already pretty busy, which is cool. Alright, I don't know a lot of the history here on the old opera house. And we just were in front of the old theater there, which now is a museum. All right, but I know based on what I'm seeing here, this is pretty unique and pretty rare. So great little town. You know, again, I can't say it enough. You know, if you're looking for a nice little, day drive, maybe you're in Louisville or you're in Lexington or northern Kentucky, Cincinnati, and you're looking for a little place to get out and either do some photography or just check it out. This is a pretty neat little place to come to. Again, Cynthiana, Kentucky. So I'm gonna get a picture of this and look at this. Pretty neat here in this old street. It's really pretty nice. Really pretty nice. Wow. Right across the street from the old Van Hook Hardware. Nice little building here. It looks pretty cool. Might have to go and check that out. I'm gonna turn the camera on. You can see all the way through. It looks really neat. A couple minutes ago we were around the back side. So, yeah, neat. More pictures. Alright, so I've been out now for an hour here, you know, in Cynthiana, taking images and anything and everything I can. Some of it you've probably already seen dispersed throughout this entire video, which is great. You know, anything I haven't shown yet, I'll throw in here at the end when I'm done. But, you know, great little town. Lots of murals, lots of, if you like murals or you like, you know, great window art and that kind of stuff, seems like a lot of good opportunities around this town to photograph that. So by all means, if you're into that, come down here and shoot that. And if you're just looking for a place to get away for a weekend or a day, it's not a bad place. A couple of different restaurants. Looks like there's a distillery here. All right, you can just come on down and check it out here. I mean, even across the street, we're walking up the street. Look at this. Here's another mural. Welcome to Cynthiana, the Maiden City. Pretty much everywhere you go, you see them. So, nice little Kentucky town. Been here since the 1790s, so it's one of the earlier towns, you know, in this state. Right about the time I think Kentucky became a state, as a matter of fact. So, anyway, don't want to ramble and talk too much. You know, just want to remind everybody this is a video that's part of my new A Day's Drive series. Certainly within a day of northern Kentucky, within that 8-hour circle, or a little, roughly an hour or so away from, you know, from home. You know, just trying to find places to capture images. So this is just something you can do. Use the Leica today, the Leica SL2. All right, couple issues. One, yeah, I ran with auto ISO, so I did have some images that popped up all the way to 12,500. All right, on the, you know, ISO scale. Another thing I noticed is I didn't pay close attention to where my focus point was, and I had it moved over to the right when it should have been more centralized with what I was shooting today. So we may find some issues in a couple of my images that I didn't anticipate. We'll see that once I get home and get into editing. But again, that's just one of the things where, you know, you got to pay attention to what you're doing and make sure you don't do those kind of things. So, all right, don't want to ramble too much. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like it. Try to help grow the audience, you know. And beyond that, till we see you again, stay safe.